Rockstar just did it again. GTA 6 will not launch in 2025. Here's the new official release date. So, according right here to the Rockstar Games, Grand Theft Auto 6 is now coming on May 26th of 2026. Take-Two has confirmed the game will arrive at this date, and the company says the delay is to ensure quality and polish. Well, fans are disappointed, but isn't the first time Rockstar has done this. So here's the official release or memo of Rockstar, and in here it is actually later than we expected, and they appreciate our support and patience. However, they need extra time to deliver of quality that we expect and deserve. So it's actually really vague. And as we all know, the initial trailer come out in December 2023, and the hype has only grown since then. And to think that it will take 3 years for it to actually be published. And you may be asking, is it worth the wait? Well, here are some comments on Reddit about this particular issue. So as you can see, this user says that it's a lesson on not announcing your release date too early. We're just going to pretend that they didn't announce a 2025 release date. And as you can see, there's still no PC version until 2027. For those that want to play it onto the PC, they may need to actually wait a lot more than the Xbox or controllers one. So why do you think the release date has been pushed back? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more GTA 6 updates. Thank you so much for watching.